Hey Rita. Rita and her little short half tail are out and about. I'm telling you, the winds today are crazy and all the cats are insane. I feel like every cat in the shelter today is in a bad mood. And I'm blaming it on the wind because you can sit in here and hear it whipping around outside. There's also a lot of people here today, currently not in this room, which is why I'm filming, but there's been a lot of people in here. And lots of people also tends to make the Shy Guys a little bit on edge. They've been definitely fighting amongst themselves today. Anyways, I haven't been posting a lot of videos because it's sort of just been same old in here. But yeah. Love my Shy Guys.